Hello students, let's begin today's class. The topic is quartile, decile and percentiles. Okay. Earlier we have studied measure of central tendency. There we get the central position, okay, central value, central position, but these are the called measure of location. These are not measure of central tendency because it doesn't give only the central value, it gives the other positional value also. So these are other partition values. Okay. So let's start with the quartiles. The quartiles, the value of the variable dividing a series into 4 equal parts are called quartiles. Okay, suppose this is our data series, so it divide into 4 equal parts. Okay, so we get 3 quartile. This is our first quartile, second quartile, third quartile. Okay, first we need to arrange the data in okay, we arrange the data, then we find the position. Okay, so this position is called the variable which lie here are called first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, like this. Okay, so second quartile is also our median value because it divide the observation into 2 equal parts. So always remember, when we study quartiles, we get 3 quartiles because this 3 quartiles divide the whole observation into 4 equal parts. Look here, here we will get 25% of the observation here. That means on the left hand side of the first quartile. Okay, and this side from here to here 75% of the observations. Okay. Similarly, from this quartile 2 position, okay, this quartile 2 value, on the right hand side 50% observations are there, and the left hand side also 50%. So similarly here, for look at the third quartile position here. So on the right hand side 25% and on the left hand side we will get 75% observations. So let's know how to find quartile for ungrouped data. Okay, if the data are ungrouped, that means frequency is not there. So first we need to arrange the data and then find QI. The formula is QI is equal to size of the I n plus 1 by 4th item. That means size of this item is our quartile value. So for first quartile we need to put here I goes from 1 to 3 because we get 3 quartile. So when we put I is equal to 1, that means we are finding the first quartile value. When we put I is equal to 2, that means we are finding the second quartile value. Okay, so let's find the first quartile value. Q1 is equal to size of I is equal to 1, and n is the number of observation plus 1 divided by 4. So whatever be the value, that items is our first quartile. Okay, similarly for the second quartile, you put in place of I you put 2, here also 2, and evaluate this. So size of this particular item is your second quartile value. Similarly you can find the third quartile value. Now look here, the decile. Second one is decile. Decile means it divide the whole observation into 10 equal parts. Similarly there also we get how many decile? Like D1, D2 up to D9. So we will get 9 deciles. So look at the formula here. Okay, here Dj is equal to size of the j n plus 1 divided by 10th item. Here we have taken 4, now decile, for decile we have to take 10 here. Okay, so size of this item where j goes from 1 to 9. Okay, because this 9 decile divide the whole observation into 10 equal part. Okay, similarly you need to find, if you are asked to find the D1, so put here j is equal to 1. J is equal to 1 and evaluate, and you will get D1 value. Size of that item is your D1 value. Okay, so here second quartile is your median value. Similarly here D5 is your median value because it divides the observation into 2 equal parts. Now for percentile, percentile means if divide the observation, okay, into 100 equal parts. So the value of the variable dividing a series into 100 equal parts are called percentiles. Okay. So percentile pk, it is denoted by pk, where is equal to size of k n plus 1 by 100th item, where k goes from 1 to 99, okay, up to 99. So if you want to find P50, suppose, so put here 50, k value 50, here also you put k value 50 and evaluate, you will get the size of whatever be the size of that item, okay, is your P50 value. Similarly here P50, divide the observation into 2 equal parts, so P50 is your median value. So Q2 is equal to D5 is equal to P50, because these are equal to median, because it divides the observation into 2 equal parts. So specific Q2 or D5 or P50 is our median value. Okay, it gives the central location and other are give the other locations. So hope you understand. Quartile, decile and percentile are measure of location. These are not measure of central tendency, because it not only gives the central position but it gives the other position value also. So these are called measure of location or other partition values. Thank you.